Hello. Now, now we'll discuss about the callable class attribute. Right. So as we have discussed about, so in the earlier class we had discussed about the class attribute, but the class attribute can be of any object types, right? It can even a functions, right? So consider this program over here. We are getting a class called program, right? Language is the one attribute, and then we have defined a function inside a class. When we run this, now when we check program.ticked, so here we can see that we have the say hello over here. So again, the function name was say hello. So this say hello is here, right? And the type we can see that it is a function, right? So even though if you create a class, even though if you create the functions inside a class, that function will reflect as an attribute, right? We can also retrieve it using the get attribute or get atter or dot notation as well. Here we're saying program dot say hello, and we are saying, and we are using get atter function. So we are accessing the say hello in both way. Here we can get, right? So we are getting the output, right? We can even call the functions using program dot say hello, because this is how to call. We can see that, right? So we are calling the functions. When we call this, we are getting the output hello from Python, right? So this was the output hello from, and whatever the language was. We can also call that way, like when we access the attribute. Here we're accessing the attribute as this, right? So this is the say hello object we have got. Now we can call this by adding the bracket over here, right? And when we run this, we can get the output. And we can also access, as we can also access through the namespace dictionary, right? So when we access this way, right, we are getting the same object. So we can also call by adding the bracket over here. So when we run this, we'll get hello from Python, right? Yeah, so this is all about how to deal with the callable class attribute. Thank you very much.